Hello! Welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will listen to a story about Pup, Panda, and friends. Let's go. Pup, Panda, and Friends. The Vacation. Written and illustrated by Susan Grützmacher. Hello, my name is Hippo. What's your name? Hi, Hippo. My name is Kangaroo. Hi, Kangaroo. These are my friends. This is Cat. This is Panda. This is Dog or Pup. This is Bat. This is Fish. This is Jellyfish. This is Goat. Hello, friends. Kangaroo, who is this? Pup and Panda, this is a family. Goat, what is the month? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Pup and Panda, it's July. The family will go on vacation. Fish, where does the family go? Pup and Panda, the family does not go to the city. Hippo, where does the family go? Pup and Panda, the family does not go to the mountains. Bat, where does the family go? Pup and Panda, the family goes to the sea. Jellyfish, where does the family sleep? Pup and Panda, the family does not sleep in an apartment. Cat, where does the family sleep? Pup and Panda, the family sleeps in a hotel. Hey, where do you go on vacation? City, sea, mountains. I go on vacation to the Thanks for listening to the story. Where do you go on vacation? To the sea? To the city? To the mountains? I go on vacation to the mountains. Where do you go? Go live or send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.